Welcome back, financial enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to delve into a fascinating book that's all about deep value investing. Deep Value: Why Activist Investors and Other Contrarians Battle for Control of Losing Corporations by Tobias E. Carlisle. This book is a must-read for any investor looking to understand the intricacies of contrarian investing and how to recognize and capitalize on undervalued companies. In this engaging read, Carlisle sheds light on the world of activist investors and how they unearth hidden value in seemingly hopeless businesses. You'll learn how they work diligently to turn around these underperforming companies, eventually reaping the rewards when their investments bloom. This book is not just about investing strategies, but also about recognizing opportunities where others might see defeat. It's an insightful journey through the world of finance, teaching us how to identify undervalued stocks and profit from them. So, if you're keen on adding some depth to your financial knowledge and sharpening your investment skills, Deep Value by Tobias E. Carlisle is a book you should definitely add to your reading list. And as always, if you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more intriguing financial insights. Until next time, keep exploring.